Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to give you guys a little update on where I've been, and I'm going to start filming again. Yeah, I know, it's been a while. I can't believe it's been that long. Oh my goodness, it's just, I had so much going on. I had school and then so much other crap on top of that, and my computer was going bad, so I got a new one of those. So the main purpose of getting this computer was to make videos and post them and make them, obviously. And now I'm just rambling, but I need to film more. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys all know that, so stay tuned for more videos to be posted. This is just going to be kind of a short little update video, but I'm glad to be back. I just kind of wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be back and I'm going to be posting more. So make sure you are still a subscriber and are thumbsing up the videos that I post. I just want to say that I appreciate you guys all for sticking around, and I hope you continue to watch my videos. I would love for you to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys all in my next one.